Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Beautybybolaji, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to this video. I'm here with another in-depth tutorial for you guys, clean girl makeup. Okay, if you think this video is something you love to see, please do keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Thank you. So like I said earlier, this tutorial is going to be a clean girl makeup tutorial. I'm going to be showing you every step that I take to achieve my makeup to be as flawless and as clean as it is. Okay, so in this video there's no audio, even though I intended to include the audio, but my microphone stopped working and I didn't even realize until the end of the video. So please, let's just make do with this voiceover that I'm doing. Okay, yeah, the very first thing I did off camera was to do my skin prep. I've done my own personal skin prep and even that of my clients on this channel. So please, if you're really curious and you want to know how to go about your skin prep and all of that, please just go back to any of my old videos and you'll see where I explained what I do with my skin prep. Okay, so now I'm just going in with foundation. You guys know I usually don't do this. I usually don't apply my foundation with brushes. I always use my beauty sponge, but today I'm applying with my brush and I'm using this very light brush. The brush is not dense at all, and I'm doing that because I want just a shade to medium coverage on my foundation. Then I'm going in with my damn beauty sponge just to push in the product. I'm not picking any more products. The only thing I did for my sunburn area and the dark areas of my mouth was to go in with the beauty sponge and just to give myself more coverage on that area. As you can see, I did that on that side and I did it on the other side, then also around my mouth. So moving on, I went in with my blushes. I'm using my liquid blushes from TM Essentials. I've used it on this channel and that's what I'm also going to be using again. I'll put the description of those blushes down in the comments in the description box. I think there's whipped cream, there's Get Into It, or I can't remember the shades now, but I'm going to include that in the description box. And also, the reason why I'm always smiling, like I like to smile whenever I want to apply my blushes, is because you guys, I'm not slim. Okay, I'm not a slim person, and so it's always very difficult for me to know where my cheekbones are. That's because my cheeks are puffy and chubby. So for me, most time I always have to smile so that I will know where my cheekbones fall. Okay, I know most of you are new to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I always explain this my next step every time, but I'm going to explain because there's a lot of new people on this channel today. Yeah, I always do my blush before my concealers, like before I lighten my face, because I want to be able to control the amount of blush on my face. In case I'm going in with so much product, I'll be able to cover up with my concealer. Do you guys get? I hope you guys understand. So I go in with 2 different concealers, sometimes 3. The first one is the shade that is almost my foundation shade, or very close to it, or my actual shade but in concealer. Do you get? So I always put that at the outer corner, outer part of the highlight I'm trying to get. And I'll go in with a brighter one which will really highlight my face, and I'll put that in the inner corners of my face. That's because I want my face to be, I want everything to blend in seamlessly. I don't want harsh lines. I don't want some parts being too bright and I won't be able to marry the whole look together. Do you get? And sometimes if I feel like the highlight is not enough for me, I'll go in with even a brighter concealer still in the inner corners. So that's why I always do my highlight routine like this. And I don't do cream contour. I don't know if I would start doing cream contour in the future, because even cream blushes, I recently started doing it and I've been loving it. So I might consider doing cream contour in the future. So I don't know yet. I just know that makeup is not um one way something. You can decide to do it this way this time, you can decide to change it the next time. So the last thing I did just now was to use the beauty sponge I used in applying my blush. I just used it to blend out the concealer at the outer corner. That's all. So now I'm setting my face with the Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. I always pick up products with another damp beauty sponge, tap off the product on at the back of my hand and apply directly where I want to set. And you guys saw the difference between the area that I already set and the areas that I was yet to set. So now I'm just applying the setting powder on all the areas where I had gone in with concealer, just to take away the shine, set the face, stop decreasing, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going in with my V Beauty powder palette. I'm just going in with a shade from it that is my skin shade, of course, and I'm setting the whole of my face. Afterwards, I'm going in with my powder contour, and I'm also using a dark shade from the V Beauty powder palette. You guys, I'm a makeup artist, which is why I have a lot of powder palettes. It's not compulsory to own powder palette. If you're starting out to do makeup on yourself, you can buy single palettes, single powders instead of buying palettes. But the advantage of buying palettes is you can even use a shade from it as your highlighting shade, face powder, and even the contour. That's the only advantage of having a palette. So I'm going to my forehead, my cheek area, with the contour. And now I'm going in with my V Beauty powder blush palette, and I'm just applying my blush. And now I'm doing the reverse contour. This step is not very compulsory, but I like doing it because, like I said earlier, my cheeks are chubby and I always want to just bring back that illusion of cheekbones to my face. So that's it, that's all. And I'm just doing my nose contour with a dark shade of powder from the same powder palette. And I'm just running you guys through my eyebrow process. The method I use in drawing my eyebrow is not very different from how I draw my how I do the eyebrows of my clients. So if you're interested in like a tutorial, I have a full tutorial on this channel on how I trim my eyebrows and even how I draw my eyebrows. I just outline the lower part with a sharp pencil or brow pomade, anyone that you feel is convenient for you. I do that for both sides, and then I fill it in by drawing light strokes, after which I conceal with the two concealers I used earlier. I'm going to go, the brighter one will be around my brow bone area and the darker one will be at the front of my eyebrow. I'll blend that in with a blending brush, and there you have it. So because this makeup is a clean girl makeup, it means you're not supposed to do too much. At the same time, you're not supposed to do too little. It's not like a no makeup is you have makeup on, but the makeup is just very clean. So you're not going with, even your highlight should not be overly bright. Do you get? You're just doing everything simple. So now I lined my eyes with a blue pencil from MacBook, and I'm just coating my under eyelash with I can't remember, maybe Ferrarucci mascara. I'm going to put the link to all the product I'm using in the description, and I'm going to put the name and everything, all the information you need in the description. I just decided today to do a red lip, and I'm using the lipstick, this red lip stain from Nuban Beauty. I've had it since like how many, for like 3-5 years now. Now I'm setting my face with Kiss Beauty setting spray, and I'm just highlighting my face lightly with what's it called, highlighter from Artist Couture, and that one is in Sugar Daddy. I'm just doing a simple highlight around my cheeks, I mean on my cheekbones, my forehead, then the bridge of my nose, and around my chin too. And that's all. If you think you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for 300 subscribers. I'm looking forward to meeting more and having more subscribers. Thank you so much for the love on my transformation video. Right now that video is on 17,000 views. I'm so excited about that. Very happy, and I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.